What's going on, everyone? In this video, we are going to answer longest common prefix. Before we do, let's go ahead and see what people are saying about this. Good old cat leads upvote. People are saying this is a big brain concept. They are wondering what's up with all the complexities. Somebody said they don't understand. So let's see if we can make this problem easy to understand. Plug this question in. We also going to get a nice thumbnail at the very end. Make sure you stay tuned for that. Ooh, chat is quick today.
Longest common prefix. Problem breakdown. Input, an array of strings stars. Task, find the longest common prefix LCP among all the strings in the array. A prefix is defined as the starting sequence of characters that are shared by all strings. If no common prefix exists, return an empty string. Examples. Example 1, input flower flight, output FL. Explanation, the longest common prefix is FL. 2. Example 2, input dog, race car car, output, explanation, there is no common prefix among the input strings. Code breakdown. The goal is to compare the characters of each string in the array until we can no longer find a common prefix. We can solve this using an iterative approach that compares each string one by one. Let me know if you'd like me to proceed with a gamer-themed story and solution for this problem. Great choice. Let's dive into an anime-themed story for the longest common prefix problem. Story. In the mystical world of Kintara, a group of young heroes are tasked with finding the longest common spell shared by all their magical abilities. Each hero, known as a spellcaster, wields a unique power, but they are united by the ancient spell that lies hidden within their powers. The hero's journey begins in the sacred Temple of Echoes, where they must decipher their individual spells to discover the longest common prefix, the key to unlocking the ultimate power. As they chant their spells in the temple, their incantations resonate with each other, and their unique words begin to blend. The heroes look at each other, knowing that they must discover what part of their magic connects them the most. One hero chants, flame, another whispers, flicker, and a third murmurs, flame burst. The three of them know that the longest common part of their magic is Ethelstra, and together, they prepare to unlock the next stage of their adventure. Code solution. Java class solution, public string longest common prefix, string stars. If the input is empty, return an empty string. If stars.length equals 0, return. Start with the first string as the longest common prefix. String prefix 0. Iterate through the rest of the strings for in I equals 1, i.strs.length, i++. While the current string does not start with the prefix, shorten the prefix while index of prefix equals 0, prefix equals prefix.substring 0, prefix.length dice 1. If there is no common prefix, return an empty string. If prefix.is empty, return the longest common prefix, return prefix. Explanation. Starting point. We begin by assuming the first string is the longest common prefix. 2. Comparison. We then compare this prefix with each subsequent string. If the string doesn't start with the prefix, we shorten the prefix by removing one character at a time from the end. 3. Termination. The loop continues until either we find a match for all strings or the prefix becomes an empty string, in which case there's no common prefix. Do you want to create a thumbnail for this story? For the thumbnail...
Okay, cool story, cool magical abilities. Let's go ahead and make this thumbnail. We'll paste it right into the editor. That's pretty cool. Okay, cool story, cool magical abilities. But it's better. I do like this one. All right, let's go ahead and see if it works. Both cases pass. All right. Next problem is going to be reverse words in a string. See you in the next one. Peace.